Hiya, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail and then upload it onto YouTube, because when I created my channel I found this process a little tricky. It's quite straightforward once you know how, but it's the process of creating the thumbnail then uploading it onto YouTube that I found a bit tricky, and it really is straightforward to be honest. So I'm going to show you how. And before I start, I just want to apologise if at any point throughout this video the audio quality plays up, because I'm using a separate audio recorder for my voice. So I apologise if it is hard to hear at certain points, but I hope it's not too bad. So what you want to do first is you want to open up your editing software. I'm using PowerDirector 16 Ultimate, but most editing softwares are similar, so hopefully the process I use won't be too different from how you create it. Now there are various different ways you can create a thumbnail, and a thumbnail, just in case you didn't know, is basically an advert for your video on YouTube that people see before they view it. And you can do it a couple of ways. You can either use a picture, which I've highlighted here, or videos that you've uploaded, and I'm going to show you how to use it doing a video. So you want to load the video, and then at any point within your video that you want to pause it and think, okay, that's a point I would like to take a picture of and use that as my thumbnail. So I will play the video. Let's just make sure the volume's down so you can hear my voice. So let's play this. And I'll pause it about there. Now what you do is you take a snapshot of that, and as you can see it's highlighted under the camera icon and it says take a snapshot of the video, and hopefully your editing software will have that same option. So you take a snapshot and then you can save it then into your file locator under pictures, and I will call it Surf Dude 1, because I've saved a few already. So you save that under pictures. Once you've saved it, it will save it into your video and pictures section. As you can see, Surf Dude 1. Then you go to your title section and text only, and open up the title section. Now to create your thumbnail you want to use your image as a background, so the title is in front of it. So here on my editing software is where the backgrounds are. You go to your pictures and I want to load Surf Dude 1. There it is, Surf Dude 1. Open that up and make sure it covers the whole of the screen for you to be able to create your titles. Now there are different ways you can create titles. You can use shadows, borders, reflections. I'm just going to use the standard titles for this. So I want to move it and shrink it down a bit. I'm going to put it in the top right hand corner. I'll shrink it a bit more. Let's not shrink. There we go. And I'm going to call it would help if I could spell Surf Dude. Now that's gone out of line, so let's bring it in a bit and move it over. There we go, Surf Dude. And I'm going to change the colour to red. There you go. Now that's your thumbnail, and you can do whatever you want. I'm just doing a basic one to show you how it's done. Save that. I'll call it same thing, Surf Dude 1, 2, 3, just so I can pick it up. Okay, And then once you've done that, if you go out of that, you can see it's there saved under your texts, under your titles, sorry, Surf Dude. Now the way to take a snapshot of this is you drag it down to your timeline, and once you put it onto your timeline, you can take a snapshot of your thumbnail complete. So do the same thing, and it opens up your file locator. Locate it under pictures. I'll call it the same, Surf Dude 123. Save that under pictures, and then it's saved. Now come out of your editing software and go onto YouTube. Now before you can upload custom thumbnails to your YouTube account, you need to verify your YouTube account, and the way you do that is you go on to youtube.com/verify. Now my YouTube account that I'm using for this has already been verified, as you can see. But if you haven't verified it, you will get a box that you can put your phone number or your email in, and they will send you a code or a link to verify your account. And that's what will happen. And once you've verified it, you go onto your account and go to Creator Studio. My channel, Creator Studio. Sorry about that. There we go. Now, just to show you, on your channel, if you click on channel, everything has been enabled. Your custom thumbnails. Before, it would be disabled, but once you've verified your account, it enables everything. So we go back to your videos, sorry. As you can see, I've only got one. Now, if you, depending on how many videos you've got and you want to change the thumbnail or upload a new one, click edit. Then it opens up your thumbnails, and as you can see, there's a fourth one appeared, because previously, if you haven't verified your account, you will only have 3 generic ones that YouTube pick when you upload your videos. But when you verify your account, you can put whatever thumbnail you want. Now, for example, say if I wanted to change this, I'm not, but I'll just show you how. Click on change image, pictures, and if I look for what I did, Surf Dude 123, there it is. Load that, and it appears next to file name. Now if I opened it, it would it would give me the option to change this thumbnail to the Surf Dude one, but I'm not, because I'm just showing you how it's done. And that is how it's done. It's quite simple and straightforward once you know how. I hope I've been some help to you and give you the tips and tools you need to be able to do this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.